up, YouTube? It's your girl Mariah here. We are back with another video. Right now, I am at Del Taco and I'm with
Brittany.
We're about to go get some ice because we need some ice. And
we ain't got shit to fucking drink. We ain't got no ice because our shit is warm as fuck. So
yeah. So tomorrow morning is the day.
She finna be crying.
I'm about to be getting my teeth removed. Oh snap, this car's about to leave. All right guys, well I'm gonna see you tomorrow and gotta end today's video. Well, not today's video, but you know I'm about to see you tomorrow. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow and bye. What's up guys? So we just got to the freaking dentist office and we pulling up my things at 8 o'clock. It is 7:35. So we still have a few minutes, but they want me to get here early. But yeah, I'm nervous. You got anything to say?
Good luck. Oh well, wait.
Okay, you guys see my face like now? Like normal. Look at, gotta get all the angles. All right, watch when I come back. I'm about to be looking crazy. I'm gonna try to see if they'll let me record inside, but I doubt it. But if not, the next time you guys see me, I'm gonna be looking crazy. Bye.
Gonna really be on fire.
I heard
Mariah is gonna be on fire.
Look, bro, I ain't never been so high in my life. This is, woo!
Right.
Oh, my face is so numb.
I'm gonna give her this. She
What's
ain't
that?
gonna put it in her mouth.
What's that?
It's gauze.
It's
For you to wipe your mouth because it's bleeding. Don't keep it in.
My mouth is bleeding.
Let me wipe your mouth.
I feel like I was in a hallucination. Like,
You still are. Put your mouth. You won't even get the gauze in your mouth.
I was like in a hallucination. Whoa.
Okay, good. Don't let her stand up.
Okay.
Okay. Where's that? Where's the needle go? I was over there, right? And then I walked over here, right? Yeah, I remember that.
No, sit down.
Yeah, I'm just sitting shit. I got you. Yeah, I got you.
Walk away. You're not gonna get up, right?
I'm like,
So, Rick Brad's gonna
I got you. I got you. Yeah. My mouth is, wait, my teeth is gone, right? They're all gone? How the hell happened?
It happens, sweetheart.
Do you get other people like this too?
It happened. So all the teeth are gone?
They're gone.
Whoa.
See, it's bleeding, but you won't put the gauze in.
Why I can't wiggle my tongue?
Here.
There ain't no blood. Whoa. That's a lot of blood.
Look, when you come to your
Is my
senses,
face swollen?
no,
No, it's not. I was normal. I'll be proper.
bro. Look,
Hey, it's a homie right there. That's a homie right there. He gonna help me. He gonna stick a needle on my.
look. When you come to your senses, you gonna see this video. You gonna be dying laughing at your own self.
Motherfucker. Shit. Hey, y'all, subscribe and button this channel. Make sure I get that post notification down below. And yeah, I just want to make good content. Hey, bro, what's your name? What? Hey, Mark's the homie, bro. He done put that thing in my arm. I ain't feeling nothing. I felt like I was in a hallucination. Hey, 40 minutes already passed by? 40 minutes already passed by. It was that fast. Man, y'all good at your job. That was fast. I can't see the face. Wait, was that sleep?
Yeah.
I feel like I was awake. See what's up, y'all? I just got my wisdom teeth pulled out. Look at this back burritos. Why she said I can't stand here?
Cause you gonna fall over. Let me see.
Bro, I don't feel like high as hell. I feel
Do it
hot.
hurt?
I can't feel my bottom lip. Do I have a booger? Oh shit, I got a motherfucking booger up in this bitch. What's that? Is that blood? But
Yeah, but
oh
you
shit,
keep the what's
bro,
name
I feel like I was like in a hallucination. Like it was crazy. Like on some real shit, it was fucking crazy and shit. Hey, Brad, I'm trying to fucking. I'm trying to flip. I'm trying to flip the screen. I'm trying to flip the. Okay, I flipped the screen. Hey, what you gotta say? What you gotta say? What you gotta say? You got something to say? What you something to say? You got nothing to say?
Bro, I'm hungry.
You hungry as hell, bro? I look fine. I look perfectly fine. I don't know why the camera zoom in so much, but it feels like my lip is so big. Like, do I look like you the new? Bro, that was the most lit experience I've ever been through. Like, that was fucking lit, bro. It was lit. It was super lit. Oh shit. Ooh. What's up, guys? I just got my wisdom teeth pulled out. Look at this here. TMI, but I look crazy. Tell them.
She's freaking crazy right now.
I feel like I can put my what's this called?
What, your lips?
Hey, I was fighting that. The anesthesia though. I fought it.
Do not.
Guess what I just did?
What you did?
Guess.
I don't know. You had dental work done? How'd it go? Did it go good?
Yeah, I was hallucinating the whole time. I was dancing. It was fun.
Stay right here.
Do you have her Kaiser card?
Yeah, it's in here, right?
Yeah, it's in there.
Mariah, stand right.
No, it's in there.
Look, you fall. I ain't picking you
I
up
ain't
now.
falling. I'm straight. I'm straight.
No, that's not it.
My lip feels so fat.
Still under the
Like-
effects.
How long is it?
It's a blue one.
Look at this shit.
Anthony, your pickup line.
Ow. I remember. I fought it. I fought it.
I know you did.
I did.
All right. Any allergies to medication, Mariah?
Nope. I fucked up, huh?
Yes, you are.
I look. Let's get some fries and glasses. Mariah. Come on. She said, "Man, all right." So I don't look too bad. I look perfectly fine.
I was gonna say, at least your cheeks ain't fucking swollen.
Who went to the bathroom where I could get his blood out of my lips? Who went to the bathroom?
Huh? You gotta pee?
No, I'm going blood out of my lip. Bro,
Where is the bathroom?
that was so fast.
I know it was.
It was fast? Who went to the bathroom?
I had to find one. Hold on.
I know where it's at. I know where I'm going. I ain't stupid. Let's go. Oh, my jaw hurts.
Yeah, so stop opening your mouth.
Ah, my arm.
Alright, use the dry part.
I dropped it.
Get another one.
Ooh. Cause it's like
Go away.
I want some now.
No, you can't spit, so come on.
Why not?
They said you cannot spit at all. So
Why?
I don't know.
They just said you can't spit. They probably won't open up your stitching.
Alright guys, so we just left Kaiser Permanente and we got Mom missing. And yeah, so I'm perfectly fine. I just can't feel my mouth. That's pretty much it. But other than that, you got anything to say?
She's
No.
crazy.
I'm not crazy, I'm perfectly fine. That hurt!
Stop opening your mouth.
Motherfucker.
Okay, the house is 8 minutes away.
The house?
Your house.
Hell yeah, it's 8 minutes away. Ain't that far? My face look fat?
It started to get a little swollen right here.
That ass? Don't touch you.
Right there.
That happened, like, I feel like I was awake the whole time.
I know it does, huh?
Yeah. Like, I was like hallucinating. Like, I was like, it was weird, bro. I was like going through all these little tubes and loops. Like, I was asleep, but I was awake.
That's funny as hell.
I need an ice pack, some medicine, something. This shit's bad. What the heck? I'm just trying to like breathe and my freaking mouth is hurting. It feels like it's not even the top, it's the bottom. The bottom hurt.
I think the bottom will hurt more than the top.
Cause I had to drill through my freaking jaw. I want to see my teeth. I wish I could have saved my teeth.
Can't you? Maybe that's not right.
It's too late now. What's up, y'all? We at Kaiser. And I'm crying like a little bitch because of my teeth hurt. Aw. Yeah, so my mom is trying to get an ice pack. I look crazy. But yeah, it's not that bad. It's just super sore. That's why I'm crying. So don't be coming for me because it hurt. Try getting all your teeth pulled out at the same time. It hurt. Bye. What's up, y'all? I just got my ice pack, so I'm not crying. What's up, y'all? My mom just got my ice cream, but look, I can't even open my mouth that way, so I could just have to freaking lick it. Look, that's all I could do.
Yeah, that's all I can do.
Here, please. Alright guys, so that's gonna be the end of today's video. I'm just outside walking my dog. But today's post notification shout out is gonna go to Rania Ramirez. Thank you so much for liking my video. And if you guys would like a post notification shout out, just make sure you guys like, comment down below. Whatever you want, just anything, any feedback, any videos you guys would like to see, that'd be really helpful because it's kind of difficult coming up with videos when it's just me. But just let me know what you guys want to see. As you guys can see, my face is still swollen from the surgery. But make sure you guys like this video. And if you guys are new to my channel, or at least relatively new, my name is Mariah. And this is the life of Mariah Vlogs. Bye! What's up, y'all? I know, this is the next day. My face got even more swollen. And yeah, I'm walking Bugsy. But guys, look at my face. Like, look at the side view. Look. I look like a freaking chipmunk, bro. Like, anyway, I just want to show y'all this, and I think it's pretty hilarious because I can't even open. Whoa, son! I can't even open up my mouth. Look at this. How much I can open up my mouth. That's it. That's it. Like, I can't do nothing else. Anyways, but yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe. And here's my Instagram, here's my Snapchat. And if you guys always like to watch any new videos, make sure you guys comment that down below. And I'll see you guys on the next vlog. Bye!
But it wasn't a match. Wrote some songs about Ricky. Now I listen to that.